Hi, I'm Rosie Black, property partner at CR Real Estate. Today I'm in Sundridge Park outside this Grade 1 listed mansion. Today we have a 1-bedroom top floor apartment. Come with us, let's have a look around. Accessed through iron gates and set within a landscape of sculptured gardens and woodland walks of almost 300 acres, including Sundridge Park Golf Club. This property is ideal for those looking for a balance between rural and city living, with the advantage of swift links into central London. Built in the 1600s, this Grade 1 listed building has been tastefully renovated by Nash Architectures.
Had to take a minute for a reset, get my mind straight, I'm not living with a regret. At the going rate, there's no telling how far we get.
The top floor apartment is accessed via either a lift or stairs up to its private decking area. The property comes with 2 allocated undercroft parking spaces, ample visitor parking and its own additional basement storage units.
Elevate the levels cause we never want to stagnate. Detox heavy metals for our bodies incapacitate. Gotta do the hard work if we want to feel great. There's no shortcuts that'll get us to our true fate. Bringing out the best traits, no time to feel hate. In my heart, it's time to...
Inside you have an impressive lounge kitchen dining room with solid oak flooring. A bespoke hand-painted Lavery Shaker style kitchen featuring stone worktops, a mobile island and integrated Siemens appliances. Throughout the property there is electric underfloor heating, aircon and super fast fibre optic Wi-Fi.
It really is time for an upgrade. Learn a new skill set to get paid. Enter a new trade. We're gonna have to be brave. Can't rely on the old ways. Then again, it's how the levels get raised. New trails get blazed. We enter in a new phase. Time to run some new plays. New coach, a new season.
If living in a Grade 1 listed mansion is for you, then give me a call on the number below.
I got faith, I got self-praise. We rise above the haze to the moon rays. We blasted to the sky into outer space. Believe in my team, cause we kings and we queens. We gonna light the beam, have the world amazed. There was something better on the other side. Just had to let go, my pride make change. I've been stuck and I ain't ever wondered